Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate solo 401k contribution worksheet planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the solo 401k contribution worksheet for planning, start by gathering your financial documents. Ensure you have your income statements, business profit and loss statements, and any other relevant financial records. Open the solo 401k contribution worksheet on your device. Familiarize yourself with the structure of the worksheet. Identify sections dedicated to employee contributions and employer contributions. Enter your net self-employment income in the designated field. For employee contributions, input the amount you wish to contribute, ensuring it does not exceed the annual limit. If you're 50 years or older, include catch-up contributions in this section. Next, calculate your employer contribution. To do this, take your net self-employment income and multiply it by 20%. Input this amount into the employer contribution section. Now, review the total contributions line at the bottom of the worksheet. Make sure it accurately reflects both employee and employer contributions combined. If necessary, adjust your contributions to stay within the IRS limits. Double-check all entered figures to ensure accuracy. Save your completed worksheet for future reference. Consider consulting with a tax professional for personalized advice based on your financial situation. This will help you maximize the benefits of your solo 401k contributions. Regularly revisit your worksheet as your income or financial goals change. Updating it will help keep you on track for retirement planning. Finally, ensure you stay informed about any changes to IRS regulations regarding solo 401k contributions. This knowledge will assist you in making informed decisions moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.